Lynne Makepeace. I'm the construction manager for the northern area of the surface works at Waterview project. Tonight we're sitting on ramp 4. We're placing beams tonight. We're placing the 56th beam of 77 total on this ramp. This ramp 4 will take the traffic from the tunnel out to the city. We've been working on this ramp for a few months now. It's extremely cold up here tonight, but the guys are used to it. This is Dennis, the gantry that we're using to place all the beams. Dennis has been specially fabricated for this job, purpose built. It came from Italy. We imported it it came to the project in 12 containers. And so it was like a giant Meccano kit. And all the guys were extremely excited when it all arrived, and the guys put it together with the help from someone from Italy came to just help them assemble it. And since then the guys have all been trained up and they operate the gantry themselves now. The beam will shortly be arriving from East Tamaki, where they're fabricated. They've all been transported from there individually. There's 277 total on the project, and as I say, we've placed about 177 so far, so we're 2/3 of the way there. They weigh between 59 and 70 tons, and they're up to 35-36 metres long. So transporting them from East Tamaki is quite a mission. They have to travel off-peak, obviously. They're all escorted, and they all have to have permits to travel on the roads. How the gantry works is it travels back over the top of the beam. It goes back to a few spans, and then it cantilevers out, and the gantry moves, and then the beam will move underneath, and it cantilevers out over the next span until it reaches the span where it is placing the beam that night. Now the issue with this is all the ramps are radiused, and the gantry itself at the moment is 110 metres long, so as you can imagine, trying to get something that's straight 110 metres around a radius of about 200 metre radius, it takes a lot of actions forwards and backwards and sideways to get round the corners. So it moves at 12 metres per minute. Things are going well. I'm sure they'll have a good night, and I'll come in the morning and we'll have another beam placed on the ramp, and we'll be well on programme and on the way to completion.